Presenting the Dodge 2019 Charger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include black cloth sport seat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V STD, quick order package 29 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24V transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, pitch black clear coat, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique gloss black IP cluster trim rings black one-piece performance spoiler satin black Charger decollete badge Dodge grill badge, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, manufacturer's statement of origin and engine 3.6L V6 24V FFV. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle